Hello all, welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. In this video, I will show you how can you create a new email ID for free. Those who know how to create a new email ID, they can skip this video. But if you don't know, then please watch the video till the end and listen very carefully. Before starting, I would like to share you one thing. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon and choose all notifications. If you think the video is helpful for you, so don't forget to like the video and give a valuable comment into the comment box. Now I am choosing a browser. Here I am using browser called Brave. You can use any browser whatever you want. Now I am opening the browser.
Brave.
4 of 33.
Enter. Create your Google account. Brave. Create your Google account. Brave.
I have already opened the Google account creation website. But for the tutorial purpose, I am going to the address bar by pressing Alt plus D.
Alt D. Address. A.
Type gmail.com.
Select.
Press enter.
Enter. Selected. Gmail.com. Gmail. Free.
Now I am pressing H.
Email that's secure, private, and puts you.
Pressing down arrow.
We never use your Gmail content for any ads purposes. Gmail uses industry-leading encryption for all messages you receive and send. We never use your Gmail.
There is something from Google or Gmail.
Gmail keeps of the most advanced phishing, best-in-class control, privacy, heading level 2, get more done with, stay connected and get more done faster.
There are a lot of content.
Links list dialog. Links.
Create a link list by pressing JAWS key plus F7 or insert plus F7.
Sign in.
3 of 18.
Press S to get sign in. Now I'm pressing enter here.
Enter. Gmail. Free. Private.
You can also directly get the option to create account after sign in, but I will show you some extra options. This is the reason I have clicked on sign in. Now if you have already a Gmail ID or email ID with Gmail, you can log in with the username and password. I am not going to show in details in this video because I will show everything related to email one by one after this video. If you are a student or if you are new to computer, so you can still watch my videos. I am pressing tab here.
Gmail. Forgot email? Button.
To activate, press enter.
Again I am pressing tab here.
Learn more link. Next button.
To activate,
I am pressing tab key.
Create account button menu.
Yeah, that is the option. Create account button menu. You have to press spacebar or enter key to expand it. I am pressing spacebar.
Space. Menu. Create account menu.
Here you will get 3 options which you can navigate by pressing up and down arrow keys. I am pressing down arrow.
For my child.
2 of 3.
For my child, 2 of 3. I am pressing up arrow once.
For myself.
1 of 3.
For myself, if you wish to create a Gmail account for your personal purpose, choose this option. Pressing down arrow once.
For my child.
2 of 3.
If you wish to create the email ID for your child, you have to choose this option only. And there are one more option available. I am pressing down arrow.
To manage my business.
3 of 3.
To manage my business. If you wish to create an account to manage your business or your official purpose, you can choose this option. For now, I am choosing the third option. I am pressing enter on it.
Enter. Leaving menus. Create your Google account. Create your Google account. Form region. First name edit.
That is first name. For business purpose, you can create your email ID with your business name. Write first name and last name, then other details. I am creating a business email address but using my name and my surname or last name. So my name is Ratul. I am typing here Ratul. Pressing tab.
Rachel. Last name edit.
Type in text.
Last name, I'm typing Basak, B-A-S-A-K. I'm pressing tab again.
Basak. Username edit invalid entry. RB9.
Username. What is the username? Username is the address with the help of which people can find you or people can send you the mail. Okay. So everyone's username are different, like our phone numbers or physical addresses. Now you can type a username and press tab or down arrow to check whether it is available or not. If it is available, then okay. If not, you have to try by typing any other username, or you can get some list of usernames which you can navigate by pressing up and down arrow keys. Now I am choosing my username.
Blank.
ratulbasakpro@gmail.com. Remember, you don't need to type at gmail.com, and your username should be in small letters. Don't use any capital letters and any extra symbols like slash or question mark or backslash or vertical bar, etc. You can use full stop and dash. Now I have typed my username. Let me check by pressing insert tab.
Username edit invalid entry. Rachel Basak Pro.
Type in text.
Press tab.
List.
With 3 items.
Rachel Basak 678.
Maybe this is not available. I'm pressing up arrow once.
Available.
Available.
List of 3 items. You can use letters, numbers.
Yeah, this ad is available or this username is available. But still, Google shows you some list of email IDs which you can use, you may use. Okay. I'm just pressing down arrow.
List of 3 items.
List of 3 items, which means 3 suggestions are there.
Available.
Available.
Rachel Basak 678 button.
Yeah.
Basak Rachel 792 button.
Yeah. But I don't want to get this. Okay. Because the above username which I have typed.
List you can use let at gmail. Home. ARATULBASAKPRO.
Ratul Basak Pro
Oscar
@gmail.com. It's available.
List.
Now I'm
With 3
pressing tab.
items.
Basak Rachel password edit.
Type in text.
Yeah, this is the field where you enter your password. Okay. So remember, your password should be 8 to 16 characters, and your password should contains 1 capital letter, 1 small letter, 1 special character, 1 number, and 1 symbol. With the combination of these, you have to create your password. Otherwise, Google will say password is not strong or something like that. Now, I am giving my password. I am pressing tab.
Confirm password edit.
Type.
Confirm password. You have to enter the same password again.
Select space.
I am pressing tab.
Show password checkbox not checked.
Show
check
password. If you wish to show your password, you can check this box, but I am not checking right now.
Next button.
To activate, press.
Hit on next button.
Enter. Next group. Create your Google account.
Now I'm pressing Ctrl Home to go to the top of the document.
Create your Google account.
Pressing down arrow to read.
Heading level 1 for your security. Google wants to make sure that it's really you. Google will send a text message with a 6-digit verification code. Standard rates apply.
Yeah, Google will send me a verification code to verify that I am a real person. Okay, So for this you have to enter your mobile number. I'm pressing tab key here.
Form region. Calling code India plus 91 combo box.
Calling code India plus 91. If your country is USA, Google will automatically authenticate, or if not, you can choose, because this is a combo box.
Phone number edit.
Type in text.
I'm tapping my phone number.
Numlock off. Numlock on.
Pressing tab.
704436.
Next button.
Click on next button.
Enter.
Next button.
To activate, press enter.
Form region. Enter verification code edit.
Type in text.
I may get call or SMS from Google.
G 07044 for your security. Google wants to make G. Enter verification code blank.
Just type the verification code here. I'm typing and then I'll come back in the video. If you have not received any code, just press tab here.
Back button.
To activate,
Verify button.
Verify.
Call instead button.
to
Call
activate, press
instead.
enter.
You can choose the call instead option, or
Change language list.
okay, so there is no resend button. You have to choose call instant button, right? I'm pressing enter here and Google will call me, and then I can type the number in the edit box. Okay, after typing I will come back.
Enter.
Create your Google account.
I have entered the code and press verify button by pressing tab key and press spacebar on the verify button. Now I'm going to top again,
Create your Google heading level 1 Rachalbasak Pro.
pressing down arrow to read
Heading level 1 Welcome to Google.
welcome to Google. So my email ID has been created.
Rachalbasakpro@gmail.com.
pratulbosakpro@gmail.com. This is my new email ID which I have created in front of you. Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Calling code India plus 91 combo box. Phone number optional.
Phone number optional.
704436.
This is the phone number which I have given.
Recovery.
Recovery email.
Recovery email address optional edit.
Recovery email is very important. What is recovery email? If you already have any email address, you have to type the email address here, because if you have any problem regarding the new email address, then that email address, I mean the email address which you have entered in this field, recovery field, will help you to recover your another email ID. Okay, so I am giving one of my another email ID here.
Rachalbasak official.
C. G. Recovery email address optional edit. Rachel.
So I have just given. Now I'm pressing tab.
Day edit.
Type in text.
Here you need to type your date of birth. I'm just typing. Remember, your age should be 16 and above, or for safety purpose, after 18 you can open a Google account. Okay, so I'm typing.
Day edit.
Mat 28.
Month combo box.
To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
Month combo box.
To change the selection, use the arrow keys.
Month, you can choose your month. I'm choosing
Jan. Feb. March. 8. May. June. October. August. Year edit.
Type
year. You can type your year here.
3. Mac. Year edit. Gender combo box. Selected. 19.
Home.
9. 1. 9. 9. 9. Blank. Gender combo box.
to change the selection, use the arrow keys.
After that, you have to select gender. By the way, I am using tab key to move the next option. I'm pressing down the row.
Female.
Female.
Rather not male.
Male.
Rather not say.
Rather not say. If you wish, you can not say.
Custom.
Custom.
Male.
Male. So I'm male. So I have chosen male.
Why we ask for this information link.
Why we ask for this information? If you wish, you can click here and read it.
Next button.
To activate,
I'm
press
clicking next button.
Enter.
Next button.
To activate, press enter.
Create your Google account.
Go to top.
Create your Google account.
Pressing down arrow to read.
Heading level 1 get if you like. Heading level 1 get more from your number.
Get from your
If you
number.
like, you learn more button. Heading level 2 for example. Your number will be used to list of 2 items.
There's something I hope you can read.
Receive
and
video
understand.
calls and make list learn more back button. Yes, I'm in button.
Yes, I'm in
Skip button.
skip. So if you wish to use your number for various services or use to Google services, you have to click yes, I'm in button. Otherwise, you can skip this by skip button.
Group start. Skip button.
I am pressing enter on here.
Enter.
Skip button.
To activate,
I'm pressing down arrow.
Heading level 1 to create a Google account, you'll need to agree to the link terms of service
There's terms of service.
below. In addition, link privacy, including these heading level 2 data that we process when you use Google.
Now you have to press Control End.
List end.
Press up arrow.
Link terms. Link private. Link help. List of 3. English United. Change group end. You're in group start. Your cancel but I agree button. More options button. Future by visiting my account. My act. Control how we collect it depending on your account setting. More options but I agree button.
Yeah, I agree button. Okay. By pressing up arrow, you will get I agree button, or you can also press B. Then you will get the I agree button. Just press enter here.
Enter.
I agree button.
to activate, press enter.
Create your Google account. Brave. Get your business on Google. Brave.
Everything
No
is
links.
done.
Get your business.
As I have chosen business account, so Google will give me some business options, but I don't require right now.
Your Google Richelbasak. Create your free richelbasakpro@gmail.com. Create your free business profile and let customers discover your business on search and maps.
No, I don't
Not
want.
now. Continue but not now button.
I'm clicking not now.
Enter.
Okay, that's it.
Continue button. Not continue. Image of a business profile on Google. Language select. Image of a business profile. Continue. Not now button.
And enter.
I'm pressing 2 times enter
Gmail.
here.
Gmail.
If enter is not working by pressing once, you have to press twice. Yeah. So in
You are now
this way,
One thread.
Basic.
you can create your Gmail ID or email ID in Gmail. So after that, you need to know what is the layout of Gmail and how to use this. If you wish, I can make a separate video related to all the features of Gmail and how can you send a new mail, how can you read the mails, everything I will show you. If the video is helpful for you, please like the video and share with your friends. And tell me in the comment section whether you are a pro user or you are a basic user. Thank you guys. Thank you for staying with me till the end today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.